Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everybody. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for 6 months of Reality Media IPTV. This is going to be my Christmas giveaway. Basically, anybody can enter. It doesn't matter where you are. Once basically the actual contest is over, you will get an email from me with the username and password for the 6 months of Reality Media IPTV. Now, if you guys don't know what Reality Media IPTV is, it's basically a paid IPTV subscription. I will leave a link in the description below, as well as in the card in the top right hand corner, kind of showing you an overview of what it has to offer. Now, it is usually a paid subscription, but today you guys can enter a contest to win it. Basically, once you click on the link in the description below, you will be brought to this page. Basically, there's 2 ways to enter. You need to be a subscriber to my channel. So once you click on the link in the description below, you can get a bonus entry, but to get your first entry, you have to click on subscribe here. This will take you to my channel and make sure that you are subscribed. If you are subscribed, you can come back to the exact same links and also follow me on Twitter. Once you follow me on Twitter as well, you will get a second entry in the actual competition. So everybody in the world has 2 ways to enter. You can choose to only do the first one, which is the mandatory one. Once you do the first one, you basically get 1 entry. If you want a second chance to win, so basically to increase your chances of winning and have 2 entries in the actual giveaway, you need to follow me on Twitter as well. Of course, you can only follow me on Twitter once you've first done the mandatory entry, which is the subscription. Once you've subscribed, you come back here, you'll be able to follow me on Twitter and get a second entry as well. Again, guys, I will leave this link in the description below. I have done giveaways with this platform before. It's called Gleam. It's really easy to use, and it's probably the best way to do it. I will announce the winner next week, so 7 days from today. And that is all I have for this video. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.